We have a Mitsubishi Mirage here. I'm going to show you how to open the hood. First thing you're going to do is open the driver's door. And then right here where your left foot would be, you're going to see this lever. You're going to reach behind it and pull back towards you. Come back here, go behind, pull, you'll hear a pop in the front. And that's the latch being released. And then you're going to come up to the front of the vehicle. And you're going to see there's a little lever right here. We're going to slide that to the left and lift up the hood. So we're coming here, we're going to slide to the left, lift up with your other hand, and then we're going to take the hood rod holder, we're going to put that in. You can see here's that hood latch, and again, here's the latch mechanism, and we're going to pull that to the left, and that's going to release right there. Next to close, we'll release this to close the hood. We're going to bring this down. You want to make sure that's the first latch. We're going to take both hands, push down, and now it is closed. Hopefully that helps you open and close the hood on your Mitsubishi Mirage. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.